welcome to Geography Made Easier by R. Lohan. We will continue with 8th class Geography Chapter 2 Land, Soil, Water, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife Resources. In the last two videos, I talked about land and soil. Today we'll take up water. We celebrate Water Day on 22nd March every year. As we all know, no one can live without water, and this is the first need of any living being. That is why it becomes a very important vital resource. Earth is the only known planet in this universe that has water and life. 3/4, that is 70% of the Earth's surface is water. That's why we call it water planet. Life is said to begin in oceans 3.5 billion years back. Oceans have also rich plant and animal life. Ocean water is saline, salty, not fit for consumption. When we look at the ocean, we see that water everywhere and not a drop to drink. Water which is fit for consumption, that is, we talk about fresh water, it is only 2.7, and that is out of 70% of the ocean water we are having. Where we are finding 1% of water which is usable by us, and that is, it is found in the groundwater and also in the surface water in the rivers, lakes, and water vapor in the atmosphere. You must have studied about the water cycle in your previous classes. Now, where are we using water? Or we can say, what are the uses of water? We use it for drinking, washing, process of production, that is industries, etc. Water for agriculture, again in the industries in large amount we are using, generating electricity, that is dams are constructed for various purposes of for the use of water. Why there is shortage of water? We can take up some points on them. One is the increasing population. Our population is increasing very fast. Rising demands for food and cash crops, increasing urbanization, rising standards of living. These are some of the major factors which is leading to shortage of fresh water, due to which water drying up of the water sources is occurring, and then water pollution, that is contamination of water, is also occurring. Now what should we do? Conservation of water resources. Major problems the world is facing today is clean and adequate water. Although we can renew water, but its overuse and pollution, contamination makes it unfit for use. Now, which are the major contaminants? First is discharge of untreated or partially treated sewage. Second is agricultural chemicals. Third is industrial effluents in water bodies. They pollute water. They bring nitrates, metals, pesticides, and this require treating of these effluents. Thank you for watching the video.